It's all hooked up, all wired. Turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that.
25 across the board.
It's got temperature gauges up there. Muting up. Pretty LEDs. So how do you feel about your new computer?
I don't. I'm excited. Coming up. That's an advanced speaker system from the 70s. Oh yeah! We got us a Linux-based OS on here. It's called Ubuntu. Completely free. I'm gonna run Windows 8.1 in about a week, but for now it's Ubuntu.